Hey guys, my name is Micah Pogue, and today I'm going to be talking about online health. I should start by addressing what online health is, and it's really just public information on the internet regarding online health that's available and potential portals that connect patients and doctors. With that said, there are some risks to casual use of online health information. People like to use WebMD and Mayo Clinic to quickly look at what their symptoms are and receive some sort of a diagnosis. This is pretty useful, generally speaking, but people need to be aware of pitfalls and go to actual doctors before taking any serious action. To meet with those doctors, online health has created portals through sites like MD Capsule and the National Institutes of Health that allow patients to converse with doctors directly over the internet. This saves time for both doctors and patients, as patients no longer have to worry about going into doctors' offices, and doctors can more quickly address patients' needs and move on to the next patient and ultimately treat more patients. With that said, there are pitfalls in that patients aren't there physically, and sometimes physical needs require patients to be there physically. There's also the proliferation of personal health information online. People need to be aware of specifically what's out there regarding themselves and what they're putting out there and the agreements they're signing when they go through online services for health. These are obviously pretty serious privacy concerns, and a lot of them are covered under the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. Now, HIPAA is relatively secure, but many believe that the act is not secure enough in protecting personal health information online and personal health records. To mitigate this sort of risk, people need to do their research and understand the fine print of what they're agreeing to when they sign on to receive treatment through personal health care online. So, by looking at fine print and speaking with doctors directly through online portals, people can have a better idea of what's going on with their health. And this is better for the health industry as a whole, as it saves time and money for professionals and people. There's also online sites people can quickly go to get information regarding their symptoms, but they should really prioritize going to doctors or visiting doctors through portals. And at the same time, the focus at all times needs to be placed on maximizing privacy by understanding what people are signing when they agree to go on these sites. By combining all of these aspects, people can really benefit from the proliferation of health information online and the connectivity of patients and doctors through the internet. With all of that said, there's never going to be a replacement for going in and speaking directly with the doctor himself or herself, but this information has provided a lot of advantages for people in the modern era.